Good morning, students. Meet again with Miss Asmi in our English class for grade 2. Our lesson for today is about connector words, or we also call it as conjunction. There are 3 connector words that we will discuss for this meeting. They are and, because, and when. What is connector words? And, because, and when are connector words. They are words that we use to connect 2 sentences which express ideas that are linked into 1 sentence. So, there are 3 connector words that Miss Asmi will explain to you for today. And, when, and because. Let's start by talk about and. We use and to join words, sentences, or idea. Let's take a look for the example. As Miss Asmi told you that connector words are words that we use to connect 2 sentences, so we are going to connect these 2 sentences. I want to be an astronaut. I want to go to the moon. We connect these 2 sentences by using and it's become I want to be an astronaut and go to the moon. The next sentence or examples, we are going to connect he wants to be a pilot. He wants to fly around the world. So we will connect these 2 sentences by using and become he wants to be a pilot and fly around the world. Now let's move to the last example. Anita will visit her grandmother next week. The second sentence, Anita will play at the beach next week. We will try to connect these 2 sentences by using connector words and. It's become Anita will visit her grandmother and play at the beach next week. All the phrases that Miss Asmi crossed out, it's because they are repeat, so we cross it out. For more explanation, please watch the following video for you.
And look at this picture. Whom do you see? Nikki, Ricky. Or we can say Nikki and Ricky. Now let's look at another picture. Which animals do you see? A horse, a pony, or we can say a horse and a pony. The word and is used to join 2 words or a group of words. Let us now look at this picture. What do you see? A cow and a calf. The word and is also used to connect 2 sentences. Let us read these 2 sentences. Nikki is sitting. Nikki is eating. We can join these 2 sentences with the help of and. Nikki is sitting and eating. Let us see another set of sentences. Nikki is on a swing. Ricky is on a slide. Now we can say Nikki is on a swing and Ricky is on a slide.
Now let's move on to when. We use when to connect two clauses. For example, the first clause, I want to be an actor, and the second, I grow up. So we connect these two clauses by using when and become I want to be an actor when I grow up. The second example, the first clause is there is a strange noise. The second clause, my dad start the engine. So we will connect these two clauses by using when, and it's become there is a strange noise when my dad start the engine. The third example, the first clause, nobody come to my party. The second clause, I celebrate my birthday. So we are going to connect these two clauses and become nobody came to my party when I celebrate my birthday. For another more explanation, please watch the following video.
In this video, we're going to talk about sentences with when. We can combine two sentences with when to show that if one event happens, something else will also happen because of the first event. For example, if I am nervous, I will laugh because of the nervousness. I laugh when I'm nervous. There is no comma if when is in the middle of a sentence. I laugh when I'm nervous. There is a comma when the sentence begins with when. When I'm nervous, comma, I laugh. How would you combine these two sentences to show that reading my sister's diary makes me laugh? I laugh a lot. I read my sister's diary. I laugh a lot when I read my sister's diary. There is no comma. When I read my sister's diary, I laugh a lot. There is a comma. How would you combine these two sentences? You burn calories. You laugh. You burn calories when you laugh. When you laugh, you burn calories. How would you combine these two sentences? I feel more relaxed and less stressed. I laugh. I feel more relaxed and less stressed when I laugh. When I laugh, I feel more relaxed and less stressed. How would you combine these two sentences? You can remember information better. You laugh. You can remember information better when you laugh. No comma. When you laugh, you can remember information better. A comma is needed. Have a look at these examples and add a comma when necessary. I hope it's clear. If you have more questions, please leave a comment below.
Now let's move on to our last connector words, because. We use because in a sentence to show cause and reason. For example, I want to be a chef is the cause. I like cooking is the reason. So we are going to connect these two cause and reasons by using because. And it's become, I want to be chef because I like cooking. The second example, I want to be a doctor is a cause. I like helping people is the reason. So we are going to connect these two sentences by using because. Become, I want to be a doctor because I like helping people. Let's take a look at the last example. I need a dentist is a cause. I had toothache is the reason. So we are going to connect this cause and reason by using because. It's become, I need a dentist because I had a toothache. The following video will help you to understand more about because.
In this video, we are going to talk about sentences with because. We can combine two sentences with because. Because introduces the reason for a situation. Employees are happy. Situation. They can take their holiday anytime. Reason. There is no comma when because is in the middle of a sentence. Employees are happy because they can take their holiday anytime. There is a comma when the sentence begins with because. Because employees can take their holiday anytime, they are happy. How would you combine these two sentences? Renee is tired. She's been working overtime. Renee is tired because she's been working overtime. There is no comma. Because Renee's been working overtime, she is tired. There is a comma. How would you combine these two sentences? Renee has a lot of stress at work. She works long hours. Renee has a lot of stress at work because she works long hours. There is no comma. Because Renee works long hours, she has a lot of stress at work. There is a comma. How would you combine these two sentences? No one came to the meeting. No one got the email. No one came to the meeting because no one got the email. There is no comma. Because no one got the email, no one came to the meeting. There is a comma. Have a look at the sentences and add a comma if necessary. I hope it's clear. If you have more questions, please leave a comment below.
Okay, students, it's practice time. For our practice, we are going to match the phrases on the left with the phrases on the right. So here we are, all the phrases on the left that we need to match with the phrases on the right. The first phrase is, I want to be a juggler. The second, I want to be an artist. The third, I want to be a magician. The fourth, I want a cat. And the fifth, I want to see Mickey Mouse. So these are the 5 phrases that you will have to match with the phrases on the right. And here we go. Because I like animals and paint beautiful pictures. When I go to Disneyland and work in the circus. Because I like doing tricks. So let's start and try to find the correct match for the first phrases. I want to be a juggler. This phrase should be connect with and work in the circus. And then the second phrase, I want to be an artist, should be connect with, yes, and paint beautiful pictures. For the third phrase, I want to be a magician, it should be connect with Yes, because I like doing tricks. What about for the fourth phrase? I want a cat should be matched with. Very good, because I like animals. And for the last phrase, I want to see Mickey Mouse should be matched with when I go to Disneyland. So the complete sentence are: I want to be a juggler and work in the circus. I want to be an artist and paint beautiful pictures. I want to be a magician because I like doing tricks. I want a cat because I like animals. I want to see Mickey Mouse when I go to Disneyland. Okay, students, that was our lesson for today, and thank you for watching. And it's time for you to prepare your pencil, eraser, and green book, because right after this video, you are going to copy this material into your green book. Bye-bye, students, and have a nice day.